What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Before I do anything, I want to give a shout out each to each person. Each and every time you like the button, you leave a comment. Thank you for the beautiful comments. I appreciate you. If you haven't done so, once you watch this instructional, if you like what's going on here, why don't you subscribe? And if you are interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you watch till the end, we can actually dance together. So make sure you click at the end. Guys, instructors, during this time, line dancing is really popular. And I know you're getting a lot of new people in your class, and you're like, how do I juggle the new people coming in and the people that are here already without slowing the class down? This is what you do. You incorporate the ones you've taught already and some of these easy peasy line dances. What happens is you don't really have to stop to teach them. You can just cue, keep the class going, and they're picking up the dance terminology and the skill set. You understand that? This is one of these dances. I bet you remember. And here's the step-by-step instruction. So if I was teaching this, once I teach myself, I'll go in the class and I'll just start calling it out. I would not stop and break it down at all. I have a 2-hour class. Some of y'all guys only have an hour. So you got to do so much in an hour with new people coming in and old people that's been coming to your class. So this is, I would just call it out. So I'm going to break it out down to you, but then I'm going to go back and show you how I would cue it, okay? So it starts with a toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe strut on the right and the left. Toe strut. Toe strut. Walk it up for 4. Right, left, left. And you repeat the same thing coming back. Toe strut on the right, toe strut on the left, walk back for 1, 2, 3, 4. So as I would cue it, I would say toe strut, move it on the right and the left, walk it up for 4. Do the same thing coming back, toe strut and walk back for 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, real simple dance. It's a 4-wall dance. Is it a 4-wall dance? 2-wall dance, I'm sorry. A 2-wall dance. So, then you would do a lending or a shuffle to the right with a rock recover. Right, left, rock, left, right, back, right, left. Now, this step here, I would say shuffle to the right, rock back, shuffle to the left, and come straight back, okay? There's no need to go into that side because we're going forward, okay? You don't have to go to rock, do a lende to the left with a rock recover because we're going forward, okay? So I will shuffle to the right, rock back, shuffle to the left, straight back, and straight back. All right? Right, left, rock, left, left, back, right, left. Let's put that together. 2 toe struts, walk up for 4, come back, 2 toe strut, right, left, come back for 4, lende to the right, lende to the left, and come straight back. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7. Shuffle right. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4. Left 5 and 6, 7, 8. Make sure you use your hand signals, okay? So not only people looking at your voice, if they in the back, use your arms. Use your arms and your hand to signal the direction, okay? That can help you out. All right. Now, what we're going to do is move it to the second wall. So 2-wall dance to the front and back. So let me go back to the top. It's a 32 count. And let's see how many we have left. Toe strut on the right and the left, walk up for 4. Toe strut on the right and left, walk back for 4. A lende to the right with a rock recover. Lindy to the left, rock back, right, left. Okay, so I'm going to check on my count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, toes strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk. 5, 6, 7, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, back, 7, 8. So I counted 3 times. I counted 8. Each finger represents a count. 8 times 3 is 24. This is a 32 count dance, so I know I have 8 more beats or steps to get to my second wall. So I'm going to shuffle up. 1 and 2, rock, recover. 3, 4, 5, and 6, turn 7, 8. And that's my fourth one. Okay, so you shuffle up right. 1 and 2, rock up and recover. Backs 5 and 6, half turn with your shoulder coming back. Step right, left. Okay, that's my last 8 count. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, rock, recover. Back 5 and 6, turn on 7, 8. Right shoulder coming back, you step it on right, left. From here, I'm at my second wall, 2 wall dance, and I start the dance forward. It's a 32 counts with no bridges, no tags, okay? No change in the dance. You're gonna do the same thing, front and back wall. Toe strut, 1, 2, 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy, 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, left, 5, and 6, back, 7, 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, back, 5, and 6, turn 7, 8. From here, start over. Okay? So say for instance, we're in class, okay? I'm going to say 5, 6, 5, 6. Toe strut steps. Walk up for 4. Step back on the right, left. Walk back for 4. Shuffle to the right. Rock back. Shuffle to the left. Come straight back. Cha-cha up. Come back on that left. Turn to the back wall. Right, left. That's how we cue it. Okay? So, that's called I Bet You Remember. I bet you. Yeah, I bet you remember. Okay, it's a 2 wall dance. Make sure you check out the demo. Dance along with me, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.